Hello guys, so I'm just going to get straight onto it. Again, Grecian style of, I think it was a statue. So yeah, 1, 2 and 3, and we'll start with the first one, which is actually the best one out of the 3, and I don't know what happened, but it just got worse to worse. So good speed, structure, proportions and layout were great. I really liked how the cloth draped as well. I think that worked out, as well as the torso area and pecs and the biceps. I really like this area at the moment. The face, it was a good start. I did enjoy it, and I'm enjoying pushing myself out the comfort zone. I utilised the Loomis geometric and observational methods, and I think I actually managed to get it in the first try, although it still needs improving. Second one, yeah, it looks as if somebody's hit the guy in the face with a frying pan. But good speed. I did run out of space and also time to complete it, but never mind. I did start trying a new method, which was putting the features in first and then drawing the face around it, which clearly didn't work. I do think I got one eye, but I definitely didn't get the other eye, and this area just didn't work out. But never mind, good learning experience. I know not to do that again. I utilised the observational and gestural method, couldn't get that out. The third one is by far the worst. No idea why, it just didn't happen this time. Far too wide on this side, far too far over on that side. The hair's a disaster, but you need to have some negative points as well as good points when you're drawing and learning, I feel, because then, I don't know about anybody else, but that's how I learn the quickest, what not to do essentially. I did stop drawing when I knew that it just wasn't going to come together and there was no saving it. The only part that did work out was this area around the neck and the collarbones, that's it. But yeah, I shall continue with the learning methods, and yeah, I'll see you next time guys. Bye.